Tired of getting fakes on eBay? Use this hidden filter to only see authorized sellers and buy with confidence. If you have ever clicked Buy Now on something like a designer bag, an expensive electronic, or even a makeup set, only to open the box and feel that sinking feeling that it just is not right, this one is for you. eBay has a feature most people completely miss. It filters your results so you only see items from sellers who are officially authorized to sell that brand. No more guessing, no more worrying. Let me walk you through it. I will show you exactly where to find the authorized seller filter and how to use it in just a few clicks. It is one of those settings that is right out in the open, but it is easy to scroll right past if you do not know what you are looking for. So, first things first, open up your browser and head over to ebay.com. You probably already have a tab open, but if not, just type it in. You do not need to be signed in for this to work, which is nice. Now, go ahead and type whatever you are looking for into that main search bar at the top. Let us say you are hunting for a new pair of headphones, or maybe a specific watch. Whatever it is, just type it in like you normally would. Do not hit enter yet. Instead, look to the right of that blue search button. Do you see the link that says Advanced? It is easy to miss because it is not a big button. It is just a small text link. Click on that. This opens up the advanced search page. Now, this page looks a little busy at first, but do not let it overwhelm you. There are a lot of fields here for narrowing things down. Here is where we get to the good part. Scroll down the page until you see a section labeled Show Results. It is usually about halfway down. And right there in that section, you will see a checkbox that says Authorized Sellers Only. That is your golden ticket. Check that box. Now, here is why this is so powerful.
When you check this box, you're telling eBay to only show you listings from sellers that a specific brand has officially approved. So if you are looking for a Nikon camera or a Bose speaker, you are not going to get some random reseller selling gray market goods. You get the real deal from a source that the manufacturer says is legit. In my experience, this is one of the most underused filters on the entire platform, and it can save you so much hassle. Once that box is checked, go ahead and click the blue search button. It might take an extra second or two to load because eBay's running that verification in the background. Just give it a moment. And look at those results. Every single item on this page is from an authorized seller. You can browse with total peace of mind. The prices might look a little different from what you were used to. Sometimes they are slightly higher because you are buying from a legitimate dealer instead of a random individual. But that small difference is the price of authenticity. So that is it. A couple of clicks and you go from wondering if you are about to get scammed to knowing you are buying from a source that has been verified. Search smart, buy with confidence, and skip the headache. Happy shopping!